When winter hits, finding a sneaker that holds up to the element without sacrifice comfort or style can feel like a search for a unicorn. But what if there was a sneaker built for exactly that? Enter the Nike Vomero Run. It's not just any sneaker, it's one crafted to merge rugged durability with Nike's signature comfort. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Let's start with the design, because we all know looks matter, especially in winter when most options are bulky boots or uninspired waterproof shoes. Now this silhouette is based on the Vomero 5. Now to be honest, I didn't really like these sneakers at all. I just didn't like the look of them. I didn't think it was slick. I didn't like it. Although we know this silhouette has been popping of late as part of the daddy stroke retro resurgence that is happening. The Vomero Rome pulls off an impressive balance. It's got a chunky on-trend silhouette, yet is streamlined enough to wear just about anywhere, featuring earthy tones with hits of brighter colorways. It's the kind of shoe that blends seamlessly with any wardrobe. And it's not just about the aesthetics. Nike has used durable winter-friendly materials like reinforced suede and I couldn't see the reinforced, that's what Nike says, but I couldn't see it. And treated mesh that both look and feel premium. So it's designed to handle winter, yes, but also to make you feel stylish. 100% better looking than the original Vomero 5s in my opinion. But as you follow the video and see more shots, tell me what you think. Okay, we know it looks great. Or am I pushing this a bit too much? But how does it hold up when the weather takes a turn for the worse? Nike has packed this shoe with thoughtful quality details. We're talking about waterproof layers, strategically placed rubber mudguards, and a gusseted tongue designed to keep out water and snow. Reflective eye loops and pull, which looks good. Iconic Vomero cage in the middle, which is got a leather feel. It's not, I don't think it's leather, I think it's synthetic. There's also the signature Vomero heel guard, which has been incorporated. But I have to mention it again, the mudguard. That's what got me hooked on this, because the change that this mudguard makes improves the design drastically, especially around the toe box. I like that toe box look. So imagine heading out in slushy streets or facing surprise rain. The Vomero Rome's got you covered thanks to that mudguard and the waterproofing tech. And with stitching that reinforces stress points, this isn't a shoe that will wear out just in one season.
Let 'em take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let 'em take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
It's winter ready without looking heavy or overbuilt. Now, you see that, that's bars.
Now listen, that's called mother bars. You know nothing about that.
But here's a big question. Is it worth the investment? The Vomero Rome comes in at around £165, 170, 180 US dollars. A price that at first you might think, you know what, that's a bit too expensive. But let's break it down. What are you getting for this? Waterproof material, a winter-ready build, and the classic Nike durability. In comparison, you'll be paying nearly as much for a heavy boot which wouldn't have the versatility or comfort you find here. So if you're looking for a shoe that works for daily wear and holds up to winter, the price starts making a lot more sense. It's an investment in the comfort, durability, and the style that isn't going to go out of fashion anytime soon.
Nah, 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 no. I can't let 'em take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let 'em take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters.
Alright, let's get practical. How does it fit? Because with all this winter tech, you might think it's gonna be quite claustrophobic, quite bulky and quite heavy. Wow. Nike has designed the Vomero Rome with a true to size fit. The interior lining offers enough room to wear thicker, winter socks, but it doesn't feel loose or sloppy. So if you're normally a size 9, 10, 11, etc., go with that. No need to adjust. Wide footers might have to size up a little bit because it is quite a bit narrowing towards the center. Design, it fits comfortably though in cold conditions where you may want extra more or heavier socks. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because the sneaker that's built for winter needs serious tech to back it up. At the heart of the Vomero Rome is Nike's renowned Zoom air cushioning, nestled right in the midsole, positioned strategically in the heel. This air unit offers targeted impact absorption, meaning that even on hard ground, hard surfaces, or even terrain, each step feels cushioned and supported. Paired with lightweight foam. Now this foam is quite unbelievable because, as I said, you would think it was being extra thick and extra bulky and extra heavy, but it's not. It feels lightweight, feels very cushioned, and it just feels light on the foot. I do want to mention the outsole though, because there's some smart tech there. You know, Nike has used what is called their tech called HEART, which is actually an acronym for High Abrasion Rubber Tech. Now, looking at the shape and the size, it looks quite trekky, traily, you know, very bulky rubber, very bulky grip. But it actually uses less rubber than the XDR, the extra durable rubber counterpart that they have. So that's quite good. Imagine the comfort of a running shoe, but with the grip and durability of a winter trainer. That air unit in the heel ensures you walk for miles, even in rough weather, without feeling the strain.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain.
Here where it all comes together. The Vomero Rome has the style, durability and comfort to be your winter go-to. But the big question remains, can it really replace your go-to boot when the rain or even snow starts falling? Or is there still a limit to what a winterized sneaker can do? You might have to put it to the test to really find out. Alright, I'm going to test this because Nike's saying these are fully winterized, so they should be fully waterproof. So I'm going to test this. I've done this before with another sneaker, but let me see if the Nike Vomero Romes are waterproof. But you can see you got a bit of water in there. Alright, cool. I'm going to take this outside. Yeah, 300 ml, half a pint. Half a pint. So let's have a look. I'll run some water over it. You can see the beads of water. When you see the beads of water, you're good. All right, I'm gonna try this leg, the left leg. Look at that. You can see the beads. Yeah, I think this is waterproof, and that's proof. Because of the water just falling straight off this trainer. It's not being soaked up at all. I can slightly feel the coolness, but it does feel layered. So you know what? It passes. Passes the water weatherproof protection, or the weatherproof check. Just a quick update. Oh no. The trainer actually let some water in, because when I took off the trainer, I took off the shoe, touched my sock on the left side, and it seems like water, well, it felt wet basically, it felt damp. So water must have got in. I didn't pour a lot of water, I poured it on the top part, the toe box side, and I think a bit on the middle part of the trainer. But water got through. So it's not fully waterproof, okay? Maybe up to the mud guard, but above that, with the material, maybe it might reduce the amount of water that is soaked in, but it doesn't 100% protect you from water. So therefore, I wouldn't say it is fully waterproof. So that was interesting. I thought I'll let you know. All right, back to the video. Now, if you want to see another winterized shoe, another winterized Nike actually, then take a look at this video here.
I can't try to make you if you ain't